Jumbo, Hotep Kings and Queens. Karibu to this episode of the So Did You Know lecture, where we share ancient African history and we enlighten our black brothers and sisters.
So begin. Go so be it.
So let's look into where we come from as people, as the human race, as Homo sapiens sapiens, as we exist today. Where does the story start? Now I will sail my boat over Nut, the heavens, every day, and I will shine on Geb, the earth. After Ra had prepared Nut, Geb, Shu, and Tefnut, he instructed Nut to give birth to children of the earth. Their names were Asa, Auset, Set, and Nebthet. Then Ra said, "If all creation is made from my body, how will I talk with my children who will live on earth?" Ra then created 2 more children, so that through them he can talk with everyone and bring them his wisdom and hear their prayers. So Ra gave us Jehuti and Sesheta. Jehuti, the god, Sesheta, the goddess, who bring the wisdom of writing and knowledge to the world. Every time people learn new things, it is because Ra is sending them wisdom through Jehuti and Sesheta. Ra made Asa and Auset king and queen of ancient Egypt. Asa was older and wiser than Set, so he was made king of ancient Egypt. Auset became the queen, and together, they with Asa, they traveled the earth, teaching wisdom and spreading joy throughout the land. Set is Asa's younger brother, who was jealous of his brother's position as king and was greedy to rule. So one day when nobody was around, he killed Asa and threw Asa's body into the Nile River, and his body parts floated away, overcome by greed, hatred, and anger. Auset and Nebthet, helped by the gods Anubis, or Anpu, or Apuab, and Sebek, searched for Asa's body throughout the world. The body of Asa was found in Lebanon, which is current-day Syria, formerly known as Byblos. He was brought back to Kemet, and Auset prayed over the body of Asa to wake up. Auset only became pregnant and bore a son named Heru. With the help of Jehuti and Amun, the soul of Ra, when Set found out about Heru, he got angry and wanted him dead too. When Auset heard this, she decided to take Heru to a place that is safe, away from Set, until Heru grows up. Auset was helped to protect Heru by the scorpion goddess Selket and her 7 scorpion friends. Heru's role was and is still to bring truth and justice to the world. After a first battle between Heru and Set, where nobody won but Heru was partially blinded on the right eye, Heru's cousin Het Heru healed this injured eye by just touching it and restoring sight. Het Heru is the strength of the sun. Then the god Jehuti appeared and gave Heru wisdom and peace of mind to heal his left eye. Jehuti teaches us that if you want to help people who are doing bad things and saying bad things, you must stay calm, tell the truth, and show them the right way to act. Always remember Ma'at. Heru and Set tried a knot on the symbol of unity, the Sima, and vowed to practice goodwill, truth, justice, peace, and love. Jua, Sma, hail unity. That's what it means. Net is the goddess of power and positive action. The truth must always win over lies. Set's original role is to protect Ra's boat against the serpent of darkness, which is always trying to bring ignorance, selfishness, anger, hatred, and greed to the world. The serpent of darkness always tries to stop the light of Ra from shining on the world with love, peace, and goodness. Heter, peace. Jua Heru Ur, I salute you, Heru, king of Kemet. Set admitted that everybody has a rightful place in the world, and his was the boat of Ra, while Heru Ur, your rightful place, is as the king of Kemet. Heru ruled as king of Kemet in his new name as Heru Ur, and took care of all people with love and compassion. He showed them how to practice Ma'at. Heru Ur showed them how to remember Asa by always thinking of him when they eat and drink. The two eyes of Heru became known as the essence of goodness, righteousness, courage, and peace for generations to come. Heru, Neru Heru. Heru is the victorious one. May the blessings of the eyes of Heru be with you always, especially in times of need. Whenever you need strength and courage, and you don't know the right way to act, think of Heru, and you will know the right way. Herishaf is the goddess of manliness, bravery, and respect. He helped people who were suffering, who were threatened and in fear. Heru, in his form as Herishaf, was known as the god of goodness, peace, and strength. In the land of Greece, he is called Hercules. This is probably the most informative session that we've shared as Sons of Auset to date. So let's scientifically look at how the universe unfolded as part of the multiverse.
So, tribe, support our Sons of Auset channel. You know we're bringing the light. Like. Because you care, share. And don't wait another moment. Comment. So, tribe. Subscribe. Let us know Mambo on our socials below, sawa? Kwaheri, So Tribe.